The letter E might seem simple, but in English, it isn't. In other languages, E has just one or two sounds, but in English, it can be short, long, silent, or reduced. So how do we learn it? Not with rules, but with listening, repetition, and practice. Let's start with a short story. Just listen the first time. Evening problems. Okay. Ellen felt tense after a long day. She had a meeting in the evening and her energy was low. She made some tea and checked her emails, but the internet was slow. She sighed and said, "I need to reset everything." Then she heard a beep. The printer was out of paper. "Great," she muttered. "Just what I needed." Eventually, Ellen sat down, sipped her tea, and breathed deeply. "It's been a stressful day," she said. She thought. "But I'm still here." Now repeat after me, one line at a time. Ellen felt tense after a long day. Ellen felt tense after a long day. She had a meeting in the evening. She had a meeting in the evening. Her energy was low. Her energy was low. She made some tea. She made some tea. She checked her emails. She checked her emails. But the internet was slow. But the internet was slow. I need to reset everything. I need to reset everything. She heard a beep. She heard a beep. The printer was out of paper. The printer was out of paper. "Just what I needed," she said. "Just what I needed," she said. She sat down and breathed deeply. She sat down and breathed deeply. "It's been a stressful day." "It's been a stressful day. But I'm still here." But I'm still here. Let's now break the different E vowel sounds. Short E. This is the short E sound, like bed or pen. Short E, E. From the story, you have Ellen, tense, energy, internet, stressful. So repeat after me. Ellen felt tense. Ellen felt tense. My energy is low. My energy is low. The internet is slow. The internet is slow. It was a stressful day. It was a stressful day. A stressful day. The long E. This is the long E sound. Clear and stretched. So from the story, we have evening, meeting, tea, emails, beep, breathe deeply. So repeat after me. She had a meeting in the evening. She had a meeting in the evening. She made some tea. She made some tea She read her emails. She read her emails. Did you hear that beep? Did you hear that beep? She breathed deeply. She breathed deeply. The next one, schwa yi. So this is a soft, unstressed very common in English, not just in the vowel E, but also in other vowels. From the story, reset. So that's the second syllable, set. Reset. Printer. T is soft and unstressed, not printer, but printer. Printer. Problem. Problem. Energy. So the second E in these few words are soft. So repeat after me. I need to reset everything. I need to reset everything. The printer is broken. The printer is broken. It's not a big problem. It's not a big problem. Her energy was almost gone. Her energy. Energy. Her energy was almost gone. Now, the silent E. Sometimes E is completely silent, but it still changes the word. It makes the vowel before it long, like in breathe, theme, scene, complete. Okay, repeat after me. Breathe deeply. What's the theme of the film? What's the theme of the film? The task is now complete. The task is now complete. Now let's go back to the story. Repeat each line after me, first slow, then a little faster. Alan had a meeting in the evening. Alan had a meeting in the evening. She made some tea. She made some tea. The internet was slow. The internet was slow. The printer was out of paper. The printer was out of paper. She said, just what I needed. She said, just what I needed. She breathed deeply. She breathed deeply. Okay, now, evening meeting, slow internet, printer broken, just what she needed. Tea, breathe, still here. The letter E can sound like a short E, as in tense, energy. Long E, as in tea, deep. Or soft E, as in reset, printer. And sometimes it's silent but still powerful. Other languages keep E simple, but in English it changes a lot. So don't try to memorize, just listen, repeat, and speak out loud. Try this. Alan had an evening meeting and the internet beeped. And subscribe to keep learning. Next up, the mysterious vowel O.